The red carpet of the Oscars was uncontrollably magical. If you missed it, don't worry because we've got your back. In this video, we're going to be showing you the glimpse of what happened at the event last night. Welcome to Gatsby GH, the girl next door APRI. Let's start with TEMs. TEMs is a Nigerian songwriter who helped Rihana write the song Lift Me Up that was sang at the Black Panther's Part 2 movie. Tame's real name is Temilade Opiniye. She is a songwriter who was born to a Nigerian mother and a British father. The Academy Awards last night, Thames made a show-stopping arrival that was everything Nigerian. You know, if you know Nigerians, everything is extravagant. It's either you go big or you go home. And exactly, Thames chose to go big. Then, fast forward at the Academy Awards, sitting down. The headgear that is attached to the body of the dress was so extravagant and elaborate that it blocked the people that were actually sitting behind her. That went viral. A lot of people received it in good faith, but others, nah, 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 nah. A lot has expressed their rage and their anger, slamming the songstress as rude and inconsiderate. She was nominated for the Best Original Songwriter. Other people are also slamming those who are slamming Thames that, you know what, Lady Gaga did it a couple of years ago where her headgear was so spiky that it was blocking people. We didn't hear anything about it. And so as Cher. Cher also came in with the humongous hair and it blocked people. But we didn't hear about it. Why are we hearing about Thames? But you know what? The other things that people say that, I mean, resonate with all of us too. That being invited to the Academy Awards is such a pivotal time in somebody's life. It's one in a lifetime achievement, right? And if you go and the person who is sitting in front of you has a headgear that completely blocks your sight, it's very sudden and disappointing. You know, so those who are frustrated, I feel them and I do get their point. But that's Thames for you. She goes wild, you know, she goes big and she doesn't go home. So hey, Thames, I don't know. I feel like maybe they could have done it. They could have made the headgear in a way that is detachable. So after you do the red carpet, you take your photos, your poses, and everything. Once the academy, the awards starts, and we all sit down, you can always detach the headgear or the headpiece, or you can make it in. They could have made it in a way that you can fold it down just so that it won't block other people. But nevertheless, that time has passed, and I'm pretty sure maybe she realized it when she sat down. But hey, she couldn't have gone home to change and come back. So that's what happened. I feel sorry for all of those who were sitting behind her, but she looked good. She looked good. She looked good. Thank you for watching, and if you can, subscribe. Thank you.